What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter von Panda here. Hey, if you want a banana in space, you need astronaut bananas. Yeah, I picked up a bunch of freeze-dried food from this company called Official Astronaut Food, I guess. This is available from American Outdoor Products. You can pick it up, backpackerspantry.com. And I love this astronaut food. It's really just freeze-dried food, but I love this packaging. It kind of makes me feel like I'm going into space and being weightless. Hey, 0.75 ounces of sliced, I'm assuming, bananas and freeze-dried. So let's see what, a little banana fragrance coming out of that dust there. And as you can see there, we do have banana slices. So if you like fruit, on the trail, camping, what have you, taking on vacation, and you like popping it in to your mouth and enjoying a little fruit snack without having to carry around fruit that's perishable and probably ripening. It's like freeze-dried fruit. Man, it does have that banana taste. You know, it's funny. As it kind of melts in your mouth and it gets a little rehydrated, you get a little bit of that gooey sliminess of banana slices. This is what it looks like. You know, this literally is a banana slice that is dehydrated. It's funny to me that they kind of keep their shape. I always feel like you'd be pumping out the air, but I guess you're just kind of more drying them out. And so they kind of retain the shape, which is funny. But before it kind of rehydrates your mouth, when you bite into it, it's very like crunchy, but like almost a little like fragile. Trying to think of what it might be like. It's almost like a little bit of a cracker, but it kind of feels like how I would almost imagine a really old marshmallow to feel like, because they're not dense, right? They're not heavy, and you can bite right through them really easily. But as they sit in your mouth, you get all that fragrance, that taste of the banana, just overwhelming you. Hey, space food. It's not just for space, it's for every day. These banana slices, there's quite a bit in there too. This would be a nice little snack for sure. And super light, nice convenient pouch here. Obviously I just tore it open. You know, pick these up for your backpacking trip, your camping trip. It's fruit, and they taste good. It's kind of crazy, I love it. Anyway, I'll put a link to the description. I picked them up on Amazon. Peter von Panda, out.